Today we will be installing a Torklift SuperHitch part number T1302H on a Toyota Tundra. This hitch increases your truck's towing capabilities with a 1,500-pound tongue weight and 15,000-pound tow capacity. Proudly made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, this hitch is powder-coated and built to last. Starting off, lower your spare tire. Unbolt the 7-pin trailer plug from the factory hitch. Unbolt the screws along the bottom edge of the rear bumper. Unplug the license plate lights. Remove the plastic rear step bumper pad. Unbolt the bolts attaching the bumper to the rear hitch. Then remove the bumper. Locate the factory hitch bolts. Unbolt both sides of the hitch. These bolts will be reused. Lower the factory hitch from the vehicle. Next, place the side plates into position and align them with the bolt holes on the frame. Using the factory bolts, loosely hang the side plates on the frame. Lift the cross tube into place by aligning its mounting holes with the side plates. Place a 1/2-inch bolt and flat washer through each of the holes and secure with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Now install the side plate support brackets by positioning them between the side plates and the truck frame. Put 2 bolts through the frame and 2 through the side plate. Secure with a lock washer and hex nut, then repeat on the other side. You can now torque all of the hardware. Mount the center bumper support plate on top of the hitch and secure with the 5/16" bolts and flange nuts. Lift the bumper into place and secure with 5/16" bolts, lock washers, and flange nuts. Reinstall the bumper pad by reclipping it into the bumper. Plug the license plate lights back in. Position the towing harness plug into place on its mounting bracket. Secure with the supplied 1/4-inch hardware. Finally, lift the spare tire back into place. Your SuperHitch installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.